Here's a clear step-by-step guide to help you fix the issue where your PC powers on then shuts down in a loop, and devices like the monitor, keyboard, and mouse do not get power. Step 1. Check the power supply unit, or PSU. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to both the PSU and the wall outlet. Try a different power outlet or power cable. If possible, test the system with a known working PSU. Listen for any unusual clicking or buzzing sounds. Step 2. Disconnect external peripherals. Unplug all USB devices including keyboard, mouse, printer, and external drives. Only keep the monitor plugged in. Try booting the system with minimal setup. Step 3. Clear CMOS or reset BIOS. Turn off the PC and unplug the power cable. Open the case and locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. Remove the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, then reinsert it. Alternatively, use the CMOS reset jumper if your motherboard has one. Step 4. Reseat RAM and check memory. First, remove all RAM sticks. Next, clean the contacts with a dry, soft cloth or compressed air. Reseat one RAM stick in the correct slot and try booting. If that doesn't work, try different RAM slots and test one stick at a time. Step 5. Check the CPU and cooling system. Make sure the CPU fan is spinning. If you're comfortable, you can reseat the CPU. Ensure that thermal paste is applied properly and that the heatsink is mounted correctly. Remember, a bad CPU or overheating can prevent your system from booting. Step 6. Check for beep codes or diagnostic LEDs. Listen for beep codes when the PC tries to start. Also, check the motherboard for diagnostic LEDs that may indicate CPU, RAM, VGA, or boot errors. Refer to your motherboard manual for specific beep and LED codes. Step 7. Remove and reseat the graphics card. If you are using a dedicated GPU, remove and reseat it. Try booting using integrated graphics if available by removing the GPU completely. Step 8. Test with minimal hardware. Disconnect all drives, hard disk, SSD, optical. Boot the PC with just the motherboard, CPU, one RAM stick, and PSU. If the system powers on, then add components one by one to find the problem. Step 9. Inspect for hardware damage. Look for signs of burned components, swollen capacitors, or damaged pins. Check for any burnt smell from the PSU or motherboard. Also, examine cables and connectors for damage or loose connections. Step 10. Try a different monitor and cable. Verify the monitor is working by testing it with another device. Try a different video cable, like HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, and check if the monitor input source is set correctly. Step 11. Replace suspect components. If all else fails and nothing powers correctly, it could be a faulty PSU, motherboard, or CPU. Swap parts with known working components if available. Bonus tip: if your PC turns on then off immediately, this may indicate a short circuit or a failed power on self-test, also known as post. Make sure the motherboard standoffs are properly installed and not shorting against the case. You can also remove the motherboard from the case and try powering it on a non-conductive surface, like cardboard.